More about the automobile here in Autofocus as we usher in our segment featuring the autos of the world, spotlighting concept cars as well as newly launched and about to be launched automobile models from around the world. For exciting viewing on this edition of your Automobile Electronic Magazine, we have the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Watch this.
The 2020 Hyundai Elantra, with a new intelligent variable transmission, improved fuel economy and standard Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist, once again is a standard in the compact sedan segment. Pricing throughout the lineup delivers consumers a compelling choice, starting at $18,950 for the Elantra SE. The 2020 Elantra arrives in dealer showrooms very soon. Hyundai's new IVT provides superior efficiency and simulates gear shifts from an automatic transmission that customers like. This transmission performs continuous shifts by modulating pressure of the transmission's pulley depending on driving conditions and driver inputs. It utilizes a wide ratio pulley system which provides a broader ratio of operation when compared with its competitors. This allows for improved fuel economy at higher gear ratios and improved performance at lower ratios. As opposed to a more common push belt, the IVT takes advantage of a chain belt, a world's first in the compact car segment. A chain improves fuel efficiency by an additional 1.2% when compared with conventional belt systems. Hyundai's new shift control strategy used by the IVT improves linearity between driver inputs, vehicle behavior, and acceleration. Shift response is enhanced, allowing it to closely replicate automatic transmission step shifts. The Elantra features two engine options that focus on fuel efficiency and a third engine option in the Elantra Sport model. The SE, SCL, Value Edition, and Limited offer the 2.0L MPI Atkinson cycle engine with 147 horsepower at 6,200 RPM, and Eco offers the 1.4-liter Turbo GDI with 128 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. The Eco model achieves an EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon combined fuel economy rating thanks to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission.